Welcome to this transformative journey of guided breathwork meditation. In just 2 minutes, we will delve into pranayama, a powerful breathing technique that enhances relaxation and mental clarity. This practice helps release stress, calms the mind, and fosters a deeper connection to your inner self. Pranayama, an ancient yogic practice, emphasizes breath control as a pathway to balance the mind and body. By regulating your breath, you enhance mental clarity and foster a sense of inner peace. This preparation paves the way for deeper relaxation and a renewed sense of energy. To begin your practice, settle into a comfortable seated position, ensuring your spine remains straight to encourage optimal breathing. Rest your hands on your knees, close your eyes gently, and take a few deep breaths. This prepares your body and mind for a focused and calming experience. We will now practice a simple yet effective 2-minute breathing technique. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold the breath for another count of 4, and then exhale slowly for 6 counts. This rhythmic cycle promotes relaxation and centers your mind and body. As we continue with the practice, pay attention to how your body begins to release tension with each breath you take. This process not only calms the mind but also allows stored stress to dissipate, leading to a profound sense of relaxation and comfort as you progress. Now, let's enhance our practice by bringing attention to the breath. Focus entirely on the sensation of air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and flowing out effortlessly. This heightened awareness cultivates mindfulness, anchors you in the present moment, and deepens your overall experience of relaxation. As we conclude our 2-minute practice, gradually shift your awareness back to your surroundings. Gently open your eyes, taking a moment to appreciate the sense of calm you've cultivated. Carry this deep state of relaxation with you, allowing it to influence your day positively and mindfully.